Which perspective is correct is not always obvious. What is the truth? My name is Kaori Hayashi. I'm a professor specializing in media journalism. The title of my talk is, What is Fake News? First, what is news? Studies categorize news into 8 different types. Surprise, magnitude, or relevance. These elements are crucial in shaping news. While news reports events that have occurred, the way the news is framed can vary significantly depending on the viewpoint. News can differ greatly depending on political ideologies and perspectives. Therefore, it often becomes challenging to recognize what the truth is. Although we use the term fake news commonly, defining fake news is not so simple.
Can you give us a question?
Don't be rude. No, I'm not going to give you a question. I'm not going to give you a question.
Can you state categorically?
You are fake news.
Sir.
CNN did not broadcast fake or incorrect news. Instead, it highlighted how Trump, who was about to become a powerful president, refused to engage with media outlets he disliked, declaring them as fake news. This raised concerns as a crisis for journalism. So, the term fake news itself has often been used as a non-analytical term. Whether something is truly fake or not requires further examination and critical thinking. However, alongside this photo is fake. It's not a real photo. It's easier than ever to create fake or doctored photos, which is a serious issue. There are 2 types of fake news. The left side is misinformation or incorrect news, and the right side is news with malicious intent. The most problematic category lies in the middle, called disinformation, where false content is deliberately circulated to harm individuals or exert political influence. So fake news includes various types of information disorder.